3 of the cars on this list are already impossible to buy new. One sold out before most dealers even listed it online. Another has a waiting list longer than some people's car loans. And the car sitting at number 1 just closed out an 18-year reign that no rival, European, American, or otherwise, ever managed to end. If you think Japan's sports car era is winding down, wait until you see what's still rolling off the line in 2026. This is the top 10 best Japanese sports cars you can get in 2026. And trust me, number 1 is going to make you check your bank account. Let's go. Number 10, the 2026 Toyota GR86. This isn't the fastest car on this list, but it might be the most important one. Toyota builds the GR86 for one reason: to teach people how a rear-wheel drive car actually behaves before life gets in the way. Under the hood sits a 2.4-liter naturally aspirated flat 4, co-developed with Subaru, producing 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque through a 6-speed manual. At just 2,811 pounds, it hits 60 miles per hour in around 6.1 seconds.
Numbers that undersell how alive this thing feels the moment you turn in. A Torsen limited slip differential and a chassis tuned for predictable slides make this the go-to car for drivers learning what oversteer actually means. Inside, bolstered sport seats, an 8-inch touchscreen, and a compact digital cluster keep things simple. MSRP starts at $30,800, the cheapest ticket into real rear-wheel drive education Japan currently sells. Number 9, the 2026 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Everything else on this list chases horsepower. The Miata makes horsepower feel beside the point. A 2.0-liter Skyactiv G 4-cylinder revs to 7,500 RPM, sending 181 horsepower and 151 pound-feet to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual so precise it feels hand-carved. At barely 2,340 pounds with near-perfect weight balance, it reaches 60 in about 5.7 seconds, a number that means nothing once you're actually driving it. This is the best-selling 2-seat sports car in automotive history, over 1.2 million units built since 1989, a Guinness World Record still unbroken. Mazda engineers it around a single philosophy: driver and car moving as one. Bilstein dampers and a limited slip differential keep the chassis honest through every corner. Inside, Recaro sport seats, a Bose sound system, and a leather-wrapped shifter round out a cabin built for feel, not flash. MSRP starts around $29,530. Proof that lightness beats horsepower every single time.
Number 8, the 2026 Honda Civic Type R. People still call it just a Civic right up until it disappears in their rearview mirror. This is the front-wheel drive hatchback that shames cars costing 4 times as much. A 2.0-liter turbocharged VTEC 4-cylinder produces 315 horsepower and 310 pound-feet, sent exclusively through a 6-speed manual with rev matching in a dual-axis front strut design that kills torque steer almost entirely. It clears 60 miles per hour in around 5 seconds flat. This generation currently holds the front-wheel drive lap record at the Nürburgring Nordschleife, a time that embarrasses plenty of rear-wheel drive cars with twice the cylinder count. Honda offers no automatic, no all-wheel drive, no compromise. Purists only. Inside, deep red Recaro buckets, a serialized dash plate, and a 9-inch touchscreen complete the package. MSRP starts at $46,895, the most expensive Civic Honda has ever built, and still a bargain against everything it beats. Number 7. The 2026 Subaru WRX TR. Subaru built this one for people who think rally heritage should still mean something on a public road. The TR trim strips away comfort options and adds serious hardware. A 2.4-liter turbocharged flat 4 producing 271 horsepower and 258 pound-feet, paired with a 6-speed manual and Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. It reaches 60 miles per hour in roughly 5.4 seconds, but the number undersells how planted this thing feels in the wet or on gravel. Recaro seats, a stiffer suspension tune, larger Brembo brakes, and a mechanical rear limited slip differential separate the TR from the standard WRX. This is Subaru chasing its rally-bred roots directly, no apologies. Inside, a 10.7-inch vertical touchscreen and a digital driver display keep the tech modern while the driving experience stays deliberately old school. MSRP starts around $44,995.
All-weather, all-terrain performance that doesn't need a sunny day to show off.
Number 6. The 2026 Nissan Z Nismo. Nissan took the standard Z and handed it to the motorsports department with one instruction: make it uncomfortable to drive slowly. A twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 delivers 420 horsepower and 384 pound-feet with sharper throttle mapping and a Nismo-tuned 9-speed automatic or 6-speed manual holding the engine in its most aggressive band. It hits 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds. Nismo stiffens the chassis in every direction, tightens spring rates and damper valving, and retunes the limited slip differential to actively rotate the car through corners rather than simply follow the driver's input. Inside, Recaro buckets, red-on-black trim, and a 12.3-inch digital cluster with dedicated performance pages keep the cabin focused. MSRP starts around $65,750. An old-school rear-drive coupe tuned by people who actually race for a living. Number 5. The 2026 Lexus RCF Track Edition. Lexus is quietly saying goodbye to naturally aspirated V8s, and the Track Edition is its loudest farewell. A 5.0-liter V8 produces 472 horsepower and 395 pound-feet, sent through an 8-speed automatic to the rear wheels, hitting 60 miles per hour in around 4.2 seconds. But the story here is weight, not just power. Carbon fiber hood, roof, and trunk lids shave real mass off the standard car, while a Torsen limited slip differential and adaptive suspension sharpen every input. Brembo brakes and forged BBS wheels round out a car built for repeated hot laps, not just straight-line bragging rights. Inside, Alcantara sports seats, a Mark Levinson audio system, and an analog tachometer sitting proudly at the center of the cluster remind you this is still a V8 built the old way. MSRP starts around $72,000. One of the last naturally aspirated Japanese V8s left standing.
Number 4. The 2026 Toyota GR Supra. Toyota brought the Supra back from a 17-year grave, and this generation is finally standing entirely on its own. A BMW-sourced 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six spins up 382 horsepower and 368 pound-feet, sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic. The automatic clears 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds flat. Toyota recalibrated camber in all 4 corners, fitted fresh adaptive dampers, and stiffened the chassis with a strut brace, wrapping Michelin Pilot sport tires around forged wheels, reined in by upsized Brembo brakes. A carbon ducktail spoiler and GR red calipers finish the visual story. Inside, red accented sport buckets, a rotary drive mode dial, and a 12-speaker JBL system round out the cabin. Expect to pay around $56,550 before options. Proof this legend didn't need a factory reboot to still feel dangerous. Number 3. The 2026 Lexus LC500. Lexus designed a concept car, then refused to soften it for production. The LC500 still looks almost identical to the concept that stunned Detroit over a decade ago, and it remains arguably the most beautiful thing Lexus has ever built. A naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8, no turbos, no hybrid assist, produces 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet through a 10-speed automatic, reaching 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds and climbing to a genuine 168 miles per hour. But the LC was never about the stopwatch. The grille is shaped like the edge of a Japanese sword. Tail lights glow like a jet's afterburners. Intake sound is piped into the cabin through a diaphragm borrowed from the legendary LFA Supercar, so the V8 doesn't just move you, it performs for you. Inside, hand-stitched semi-aniline leather and magnesium paddle shifters remind you every inch was considered. MSRP opens at $93,400. Fewer than 3,000 buyers a year ever experience it. Number 2. The 2026 Acura Integra Type S. The everyday supercar slayer saved its sharpest version for last. This is the most aggressive Integra Honda's ever allowed Acura to sell.
and it borrows its heart directly from the Civic Type R's playbook. A 2.0-liter turbocharged VTEC four-cylinder produces 320 horsepower and 310 pound-feet, sent exclusively through a 6-speed manual to the front wheels. It clears 60 miles per hour in around 5.4 seconds, but the real story is how it gets there. Near-zero torque steer, a helical limited-slip differential, and adaptive dampers that make a front-wheel drive sedan feel like it shouldn't legally handle this well. Brembo front brakes and forged 19-inch wheels complete the hardware. Inside, red leather sport seats, a 9-inch touchscreen, and a 16-speaker ELS studio sound system push this well past sporty trim territory. MSRP starts at $52,995, a sedan wearing a hot hatch's soul. Number 1. The 2026 Nissan GT-R Nismo. For 18 years, one Japanese machine made million-dollar supercars look overpriced, and even in its final production run, nothing else on this list touches it. Every GT-R Nismo engine is hand-assembled by one of just 5 Takumi master builders on Earth, each signing a plaque bolted to the block. The VR38DETT, a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, force-fed by GT3 spec turbochargers, produces 600 horsepower and 481 pound-feet through Nissan's Atessa all-wheel drive and a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. It rockets to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds and tops out past 205 miles per hour. This is the original supercar killer. For a fraction of the price, the Nismo has historically outrun Ferraris and Lamborghinis, costing 2 to 3 times as much off the line. Its Nürburgring lap records once took European rivals years to beat. Inside, Recaro leather buckets, carbon trim, and a configurable performance display round out the cabin. Originally priced around $222,000, remaining new units are already commanding well above sticker as production winds down. The undisputed king, going out exactly the way it came in, unbeaten. And that's the list. 10 of the best Japanese sports cars you can actually get your hands on in 2026, from a $30,000 rear-drive teaching tool all the way up to a hand-built supercar killer closing out an 18-year reign. So, tell me, manual or automatic, and which one's making it into your garage? Drop your pick in the comments, and if you want more lists like this every week, hit subscribe and stick around. This is Nova Autos, and we're just getting started.